Yes, that's right.
Nora, you have a funny balding pattern.
That's right. Oh, doggy loves you.